The Porsche 911 stands as one of the most revered sports cars in automotive history, with a legacy built on stunning performance, timeless design, and engineering excellence. As this iconic car continues to inspire, the Restomod movement has flourished, offering enthusiasts a chance to modernize these classics while preserving their original charm. Among the standout Restomods is the Kalmar Porsche 797 Classic, a remarkable reimagining of the 993 Generation 911 that takes this classic and enhances it with cutting-edge technology and modern performance upgrades. The Kalmar Porsche 797 Classic is the second vehicle that Kalmar Automotive has delivered to the U.S. market, and it has already become the subject of considerable buzz for its striking design and impressive performance enhancements. Starting with the beloved Porsche 993, known for its balanced design and engineering, Calmar takes it a step further by infusing the car with new materials and performance tweaks that transform this Restomod into a high-performance marvel. One of the first things that grabs attention is the stunning Sunoco blue paintwork. This vibrant color gives the 797 Classic a retro yet fresh feel that immediately catches the eye. Beneath the surface, Calmar has replaced the standard body panels with lightweight carbon fiber, shedding a significant amount of weight while preserving the unmistakable silhouette of the 993. The carbon fiber is expertly integrated into the body, maintaining the classic appearance of the car while offering the benefits of modern lightweight technology. The carbon fiber panels are complemented by other modern updates that enhance the car's visual appeal. Updated headlights contribute to a sharper, more aggressive look, while the iconic Fuchs-style wheels, now featuring matching blue accents, complete the retro-modern aesthetic. Matte black engine covers and wing mirrors add a contemporary flair to the design without detracting from the 993's classic charm. These elements combine seamlessly to create a Porsche that balances the old and new in a way that is both familiar and refreshingly unique. However, it's under the hood where the Kalmar Porsche 797 really shines. Powering this Restomod is a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine that churns out 411 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with the car's lightweight construction, weighing just 2,005 pounds, making it an absolute thrill to drive. While modern Porsche GT3 models may deliver more horsepower, the 797's combination of power and weight results in a car that feels incredibly agile, responsive, and balanced, offering an engaging driving experience that will excite even the most discerning enthusiasts. Calmar has spared no expense when it comes to the suspension system, equipping the 797 Classic with an adaptive suspension setup, complete with a front axle lift system. This allows the driver to adjust the ride height, offering both practicality and enhanced performance. To further improve handling and braking, Calmar has developed in-house carbon ceramic brakes that ensure superior stopping power. These features are typically reserved for high-end performance vehicles and are a testament to Calmar's commitment to creating a top-tier Restomod. Inside, the 797's cabin is just as thoughtfully designed as the exterior. The car is outfitted with Recaro Sportster CS seats, trimmed in black leather with blue contrast stitching, complementing the car's exterior color scheme. The blue stitching extends across the door panels, steering wheel, and dashboard, creating a cohesive and high-end aesthetic. Alcantara accents on the dash, pillars, and headliner add an additional layer of luxury, all while maintaining a performance-oriented atmosphere. This particular 797 Classic was ordered by Bruce Canepa, a renowned figure in the classic car and racing community. Canepa's involvement ensures that this Restomod won't just be a collector's piece but a car that is also meant to be driven and enjoyed. This Porsche is designed for those who want to experience its full performance potential on the road rather than simply admire it from afar. In conclusion, the Kalmar Porsche 797 Classic is an exceptional Restomod that takes the Porsche 993 to new heights of design and performance. With its lightweight carbon fiber body, advanced suspension system, and a powerful 4.0-liter engine, the 797 offers a driving experience that respects Porsche's legendary past while embracing the future of automotive engineering. It is a true modern classic that offers the best of both worlds for any enthusiast.